Yippee-ki-yay! So yeah, it's a mess by the way, but it's the old mini monitors, and yeah, I might as well do something with them. Not sure yet what, but I have the tendency to try stuff and then retry stuff. Because it's funny if you're listening to the same loudspeakers after a while. They're quite interesting. Sometimes they are not, by the way, but those are usually the ones that I don't keep. So behind it, there are still some planar magnetics that I still have to do something with. Not sure what, because I made them with like random materials that I have left over. So they're not actually a loudspeaker, except for these, but they're still standing here. And I should make a passive crossover for it.
Not very bass heavy.
So I can at least, I don't know, sell them or as in a acoustic bass. And I played them before, but this rock really tied the room together. It helps with the acoustics. It's not my preferred rock, but it's better than the previous rock, and it's thicker as well. And it's dark, so you don't see any dirt on it, which I like. So we got two songs. I thought about one, Petra Magoni, the Italian lady, and one Evie de Visser, which is Dutch, which has no low end at all, but the Italian woman has. It's a live recording, so there we go. And there's lots of bass for these tiny
by my side, but then I spent so many nights just thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. So now you're back from outer space. I just walk in to find a he with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed your stupid lock. I should have made you leave a key. If I didn't know for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Well, don't you wanna try to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? And I'll survive, I will survive. Always as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I got all my life to live and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive, I will survive. Hey. for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high. And you see me, you see somebody new. I'm not a chained up little person still in love with you. And so you laugh like drumming and just expect me to be free. But now I'm saying I'm loving for someone who's loving me. Go on now, go you walk out door. Just turn around now, cause you're not welcome anymore. Well, don't you wanna try to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? And I'll survive, I will survive, I will die. Long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive, I will survive, I will survive.
He screams so fucking loud. Also, there's some distortion in the recording itself when she screams. So, once again, because the cart was full, apparently. I don't know if it's full, but there's a clap and there's Evie de Visser. And I was telling, it's Dutch. If you want to know the translation, I did a video about it, but my translation might be rather crappy. And there is another video which has a English translation if you want to understand what she's singing about. There we go. It's guitar and, well, mostly guitar. Those are vocals, that's nice.
In de aarde, langs de paden, zoek ik de mooiste uit. Ik bewaar ze, tot mijn zakken te zwaar zijn. Even later, golven golfjes tegen de rand. Van het water, aan de overkant. Dit is nu hoe simpel het kan zijn. Alle dagen steentjes rapen langs de kantlijn. Alle golven volgen tot ze weg zijn. Vergeten na te denken maakt mijn wereld zo klein. En de kleuren, alle kleuren, aan de heldere lucht. Want de zon gaat onder, hij gaat onder, aan de horizon. En de avond, ja de avond valt en ze neemt me mee. Dichter naar de waterkant. Dit is nu hoe simpel het kan zijn. Alle dagen steentjes rapen langs de kantlijn. Alle golven volgen tot ze weg zijn. Vergeten na te denken maakt mijn wereld zo klein. Dit is nu hoe simpel het kan zijn. Alle dagen steentjes rapen langs de kantlijn. Alle golven volgen tot ze weg zijn. Vergeten na te denken maakt mijn wereld zo klein. En de avond, ja de avond valt in het water als de zon zakt en het water brandt. Dan zwem ik tot de bodem waar ik 100.000 mooie stenen vind. En ik weet toen ik ze gooide lang geleden, op avonden als deze, toen was ik nog maar een kindje. Dit is nu hoe simpel het kan zijn. En de avond, ja de avond kan zijn.